everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing tea. I'm going to be sharing how I make this tea, and I'm going to give you some of the health benefits of this tea. We're just going to be using two simple ingredients for our tea, and our first ingredient is our ginger that I'm peeling right now. I'm not going to be removing all the skin from the ginger. I'm just removing the parts that are looking very dirty because I got this from the market. Otherwise, if it was 100% clean ginger, I would have just used it like that because the skin has got so many health benefits as well. So we'll just go ahead and dive straight into the benefits of our first ingredient, which is our ginger. So the first thing about ginger is it fights germs. Certain chemical compounds in fresh ginger help our bodies ward off germs. They especially good at halting growth of bacteria such as E. coli. And this bacteria is the bacteria that causes us to have like diarrhea, children to have stomach issues. So once you take this tea, you know that you're warding off E. coli from your system. The second thing about ginger is it keeps your mouth healthy all day long. For me, apart from this fresh ginger, you can have the dried ginger that you can just suck on like a sweet, and it does wonders as well for your body. So ginger's antibacterial power may also brighten your smile. Active compounds in ginger called glycerols keep oral bacteria from growing. These bacteria are the same ones that can cause dental diseases or serious gum infections. And so ginger is very helpful for our oral health as well. And ginger calms nausea. You know, when somebody is having chemotherapy or when they're pregnant, they'll be feeling like the sensation to vomit. That is nausea, and so ginger is very good to ward off nausea as well. And then it soothes muscle pains. If you're having sore muscles, like if you're just a newbie at exercises, the next day you feel so tired, you can take ginger for that. The same day, make this cup of tea, and the next day you just find out that your body is just as fresh as if you hadn't exercised the day before. And then it eases arthritis symptoms. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory, which means it reduces swelling. That may be especially helpful for treating symptoms for both rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. You might get relief from pain and swelling either by taking the ginger by mouth or by making a tea of it. Ginger as well curbs cancer growth. Some studies have shown that bioactive molecules in ginger may slow down the growth of some cancers like colorectal, gastric, ovarian, liver, breast, prostate, skin cancer. So it lowers blood sugar as well. It eases period pains. You can make this tea and it will just ease your period pains as well. It lowers your cholesterol. So ginger has got so many health benefits. So what I've done here is I've chopped my ginger into smaller pieces. If you like, you could grate it. You could blend it, and then you just add it in a pot. So I've added it to my pot, and then I'll be adding 2 cups of water because what I want to come up with is 1 cup of tea. And so I'll be adding 2 cups of water because I want it to boil very well so that I'll get all the health benefits from the ginger and from our next ingredient. And so I've covered my pot and kept it aside. And this is water that I want to use to wash my cloves. So our next ingredient here is our cloves. We've got our cloves here, and I'll be using 2 tablespoons of cloves. So that's my 1 tablespoon. I'm using a lot of cloves because cloves have got massive health benefits, and I just want to benefit from the health benefits of the cloves as well. So I'm just washing my cloves up. Cloves contain important nutrients. Cloves contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So using whole cloves or ground cloves to add flavor to this tea can provide some important nutrients for us that our body need on a daily basis. Cloves as well are high in antioxidants. In addition to this, containing several vitamins and minerals, cloves are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants and compounds that reduce oxidative stress, which can contribute to development of chronic disease. Cloves also contain a compound called eugenol, which has shown to act as a natural antioxidant. Cloves may protect against cancer. Cloves as well kill bacteria. Cloves have shown to have antimicrobial properties, meaning they can stop the growth of microorganisms like bacteria. One test tube results showed that clove essential oil killed 3 common types of bacteria, including E. coli, which is a strain of bacteria that can cause food poisoning. And so taking this tea on a daily basis is very, very good for your health. Even if you just make half a cup of this tea, it's very good for the health. It also improves liver health. Cloves improve liver health, and they may regulate blood sugar. So our tea is ready. I'm just straining out my tea. And then what I'm going to be doing is straining it out. And I'm still going to use this ginger and cloves for my evening tea. I actually take this twice a day, but you can take it once a day and it will do wonders as well. It's an easy to make tea that you could store in your fridge. You could store these ingredients in your fridge and use it. I use it for up to 3 days sometimes, and it doesn't go bad. So you could store it in your fridge, use it up to 3 days, make another one, and it's so easy to use. It is very nice. It is not so tasty because of the cloves. Cloves don't have a very nice taste, so it's not so tasty, but you could drink like half a cup. When you get used to it, you could drink like a cup. So if you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.